In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set your out-of-office status in Slack. By the end, you'll know exactly how to show teammates you're away and when you'll be back, so messages reach you at the right time. Start by opening your web browser, going to your preferred search engine, and typing Slack. Click the official Slack website to open Slack in your browser. If you're already signed in, you'll land in your workspace. If not, sign in as you normally do. Once Slack is open, look to the lower left corner of the screen. You'll see your profile photo or initials next to your name. Click that area to open your profile menu. This is where you can quickly update how you appear to others. In the menu that opens, choose Update Your Status. This brings up the status window, which controls the little line of text and emoji that appear next to your name across Slack. Here, you can pick from common presets like in a meeting, commuting, out sick, vacationing, or working remotely. These are handy because they come with a relevant emoji and a suggested duration, and they're instantly recognizable to your teammates. If none of the presets fit, type your own custom status in the text field. For an out-of-office message, something clear and concise works best, like out of office until Monday or okuo, back on the 15th. Keep it professional and specific so people know when to expect a reply. Next, set the time duration. This tells Slack how long your status should stay visible. It's useful for trips, holidays, or any period when you won't be checking messages regularly. Under Remove Status After, choose when Slack should clear the status automatically. You can select today, tomorrow, next week, or pick a custom date and time. Custom is perfect if you already know the exact day and hour you'll be back. Slack relies on your workspace time zone for this, so make sure your profile time zone is accurate to avoid confusion. When everything looks right, click Save. Your status will now appear next to your name in channels, direct messages, and search results. Teammates will see it at a glance, which reduces follow-ups and helps them plan around your availability. A quick note: setting a status does not silence notifications or send auto-replies. It's simply a visible indicator of your availability. If you need fewer interruptions while you're away, handle notification preferences separately before you go. That's it. You've successfully set your out-of-office status in Slack, keeping your team informed and your workload manageable when you return.